Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Subaru Crosstrek's AC system. First, recognize symptoms of low refrigerant, such as your AC blowing warm air or the compressor clutch not engaging. Next, gather your AC recharge kit, safety glasses, and gloves. Finally, locate the low-pressure service port, usually found on the larger AC line between the compressor and evaporator. Now let's get to recharging. Connect the recharge hose from your kit to the low-pressure service port. Start your engine, turn the AC to its maximum cool setting, and set the fan to high. While holding the can upright, slowly add the refrigerant, shaking the can every few seconds. Monitor the pressure gauge and stop once it reaches the green zone to avoid overcharging. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, just like a reliable AC system keeps you cool, darn tough socks keep your feet comfortable with their amazing lifetime warranty. Life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After recharging, verify your AC is blowing cold air from the vents. If cooling is still inadequate, inspect for leaks using a UV dye kit or a simple soapy water solution, looking for bubbles. Remember, refrigerant leaks can be subtle. For persistent problems or major leaks, it's best to consult a professional mechanic to diagnose and repair the system properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.